I hear people say all the time that fruit detox you. For the record, fruit doesn't actually detox you, your organs do. But the nutrition inside fruit and vegetables is what fuels the organs that detoxify the body every single day. That distinction is important. It matters. I'm Martin Benjamin, certified Master Herbalist, Functional Nutritionist, with almost 20 years of experience in women's reproductive wellness. Welcome back to the A and Z of Fibroids, where I break down complex subjects in a way that actually makes sense. Today, it's all about juicing. Despite of what you might have heard, juicing isn't magic. It's not a cleanse that flushes toxins overnight, and it definitely doesn't mean you starve yourself or live on green juice for weeks on end. You see, juicing works because it supports the detox system, right? Which is your liver, gut, kidneys, lymphatic system, and the colon. And they're constantly working to process hormones, toxic, metabolic waste, and inflammation. And they have no days off. So they need support. And juicing gives the digestive system a break while flooding your cells with antioxidants, minerals, enzymes, phytonutrients that help those detox organs to work even better. Fruit and vegetables are rich in polyphenols, phytochemicals, and plant compounds that reduce inflammation, neutralizes toxins, support immune functions, and protects your cells from getting damaged. These compounds help your liver enzymes function effectively. They support bile flow, they nourish gut bacteria, and they reduce oxidative stress, which is a big deal in fibroids development. Look at some of my previous videos if you want me to elaborate more on that. Anyway, there was even a study that shows 3 times a day juicing protocol improves gut bacteria balance, increasing benefits of microbes that directly support hormone metabolism and estrogen cleansing. Now let's talk about hormones. Every single day your body produces estrogen that does very specific jobs like builds your uterine lining, regulate ovulation, and supports mood, bone health, and brain functions. But once estrogen has finished its work, it must be broken down and eliminated. And that journey happens in stages. So first, the liver converts estrogen into a safe form, transports it to the gut. The gut helps to escorts it out of the body by finally moving it to the bowels for a complete exit. If any part of this pathway slows down, estrogen doesn't leave. So things like constipation, sluggish bile flow, gut imbalance, nutrition deficiency, toxic overloads, all of these things cause estrogen to recirculate instead of it exiting. And fibroids love when this happens. They love this environment. I've said it before, and I think it's worth repeating and saying again. The problem isn't always about how much estrogen you make. It's how well you clean what you make. And you cannot detox hormones without proper nutrients. Your liver needs specific vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds to process estrogen safely. Without these, detox will slow down. Inflammation of estrogen metabolites rises and fibroid development accelerates. Juicing helps deliver those nutrients in a high absorbable form, especially when digestion is compromised or overloaded. This doesn't mean that you replace every meal with juicing indefinitely. It means you use juicing strategically to support detox pathways, reducing inflammation, and giving your hormones cleaning system the tools it needs. You see, when done correctly, juicing can help support liver detoxification, improves estrogen clearance, reduces inflammatory burden, support gut health, and strengthens immune function. So when I'm talking about shrinking fibroids naturally, I'm not talking about suppressing hormones. I'm talking about supporting the entire detox journey from the production to the elimination. So be sure to like, share, save, and follow me for more of the A to Z of fibroids.